Guys, it's Legendary Saps here, and today I will be reviewing the Hexbug hive playset. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. I've got a Hexbug here. I'll put that in a moment. It can fold up. It can. That's how you open it. There. You have to put some that way together at once. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the Hexbug in. Oh yeah, you remember. It also has 2 levels. That's why that ramp's there, over there. Now it's going up. I think that is worth your money, and that's what it looks like when you first get it. Well, the pieces, they're obviously not there. I set it up like that, but it can fall off when you haven't set it up yet. And there it goes. Bye guys.